Did you all know that we also have a volume button? But that button is invisible. Yes. Let me show you how. Imagine, okay, just imagine that my volume button is here in this line. Yeah. So whenever I do this, my volume goes up. And whenever I do this, my volume goes down. And I am going to say all the vowels. A, E, I, O, U. Stretching each vowel completely. Okay? Now this is my normal volume. A, E, I, O, U. 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 Now, what I'm going to do is, you all will have to say A, E, I, O, U, stretching your lips and your jaws, everything fully to say the vowel completely and clearly, and follow my hand as a volume button. Okay? So when I do this, it's your normal volume. When I do this, you increase your volume. Remember, we're not shouting. We are just saying whatever we are saying a bit louder. Yes? So, are you all ready? Begin. And that's it. Okay, thank you so much. I'll see you in the class. Bye.